Alright, so when you are editing in a CapCut Video Editor on PC, it's very important that you set the keyboard shortcut, the one that you are already familiar with. For example, if you're coming from Premiere Pro or Final Cut, you might find useful the keyboard combination that you got used to using on that specific video editor. So this video, that's what I'm going to do. So at the very top left corner, we're going to click on the menu, then come down to help and shortcuts. Alright, so this section is divided into 4 tabs, as we can see: timeline, player, and basic. So one of the most useful keyboard shortcuts that I always find useful is cutting keyboard. So the ones that we use to cut video in the timeline. So so for example, by default it may be set to different keyboards shortcuts. So for delete, it was set here some other key, but I've set it to Q. In the delete right there will be W, but I always find comfortable using the E keyboard. So we have the Q and E. Q is used for deleting the left side of the clip, and E is used to delete the right side of the clip. But it's also important to set the W to cut the clip between. So for that, there is this keyboard combination which is Control B. So let's find it. Alright, so there we have it. We have the split command, which is set to the keyboard shortcut Control B. So that's where I'm going to set the W. So let's apply and check the keyboard combinations that we just set. There we go. So when I set this to, when I click E, it cuts the right side of the clip. When I click on the E, it cuts the left side of the clip, and when I click on the W, it cuts the clip between the half. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video. If this was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.